Hello, now in this video we are going to discuss about the row widget. I have already typed here the row. We use the row widget to maintain the layout of our app. The same widgets we can implement them in the same row. To modify the layout and to increase the performance of the layout in complex and modern UI for you can say for the e-commerce, we use the row and column widget. Now in this video we will discuss about the basics of the row. So instead of container we use the row widget here. Now in here we use the children. Now children is in the inside the row. Each children we pass here will be in same row. Now in the children widget we first use the text widget. So apply the text widget. Text, uh, what will be the text? Hello. Okay. Now we use a flat button. Flat button. Okay. Now inside flat button, what we will use inside flat button, first we use the on pressed function. On pressed, uh, on pressed function. Okay. And we use the color of the button. Color we will, let's say, red. And we will also use the text which will display inside the button. So to show the text inside the button we always use the child widget. So use the child. Child of button will be the text because the text is inside the button. Okay. Now click me. Okay. Now we use the text and flat button. Now let me use a container here. Container. And uh, let give it a color and some padding. Remember these all the widgets we are using are in the same row. Okay. Color, colors, color will be you can say cyan. Okay, let's use a different color, cyan. And now padding. Padding, I also told you what is padding. Inside the inside spacing of the widget is called padding. Now what will be the padding? We have also used padding in my previous video. You can check all my previous video. Now we will use the padding, let's say 25.0. Okay. Now use the uh, text inside a container. I also told here whenever we use the sorry, inside widget inside another we use the child widget. Okay. And now what will be the property or value of this child will be the, we can say, inside. Okay. uh, let's just run this code. Container. Okay, comma separate this and let's just run the code. Let me check if any mistake or The code is running. Please wait. I think everything is alright. Let's see what happened. Come up, come up, come up fast, please. Uh, mm, Come up, please. Now it's really hot in summer, and I am shooting video for you. It's taking a lot of time, and I have to edit this video because of this. Oh. Uh, Now you can see the output. Each widget is compressed, you can say, the close to other. How we can separate these this container and button? We should do something to space between them. Okay. Uh, from the main row you can separate them by using the main axis alignment. Main axis mean the axis within the row. We will use main axis, uh, main axis alignment dot, you can say, center and space around. Let's use the center and run the code and see what will happen. Now you can see the our widget in the center, and now let's use the space between, okay, or on the app. Now you can say the changing the space between the container. Now you can use these widgets for your application when you are working on the highly where you require the UI. Uh, I told you for the e-commerce apps, and where you have to use most UI widgets, you can use this. Hope you are enjoying my tutorials. Do subscribe my channel, and we will meet in the next one. Thank you.